Good evening, one and all. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Sam Matthew, President Pearl School, Board of Members, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, parents, my colleagues, and dear little Pearls. It's my proud privilege to welcome you all to the annual KG graduation ceremony for the batch 2021. As we all know, kindergarten is a beautiful, exciting phase of students' life to which both parents and students look forward to. How quickly the time has flown. These little ones who had entered our school portals 2 years ago are now graduating as they move ahead to the new phase of their student life, that is the primary school. A wonderful program has been put together by both the students and teachers of KG2. Once again, I welcome you all. Now I hand over to Ms. Smita Sinha, KG2 in charge for the further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A very warm good evening to everyone present here. We begin today's program by reciting the verses from the Holy Quran. Can I please request all students to please switch off your videos? I request all the students to please switch off your videos. The Holy Quran.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise to be Allah, Lord of the world, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Owner of the Day of Judgment, they alone do we worship, they alone do we ask for help. Show us the straight path, the path of those whom we have favored, and not of those who go in your anger, and not of those who go astray.
Thank you, Rumaisa and Qasim. Having a clear vision and mission is an important step towards creating successful learning programs. Presenting the vision and mission of our school.
Mission statement: build an institution that inspires students to pursue education beyond excellence with leadership qualities.
Mission of our school is to create an academic and intellectual ecosystem that enables students holistic development and prepare them to face challenges in real world with confidence and competence. Foster a community of progressive lifelong learners and motivate to excel in talents and skills and imbibe in them the elements of creative thinking and critical reasoning.
Thank you, Aishna and Zaria. I now request all of you to stand for the Qatar National Anthem. Thank you, everyone. Now, I would call upon our dear Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Manjari Rekriwal, to say a few words.
Thank you, Smita ma'am, and a warm good evening. At the outset, let me welcome the chief guest for today, Mr. Sam Matthew, President Pearl School, Mr. Nizar, Mr. Faiz Nizar, our directors, Mr. Ashraf Madatil, Director Pearl School, and I'm just trying to see in the participants which of the directors have joined, but a warm welcome to everybody, especially our new Vice Principal, Geeta ma'am, Headmistress, our KG2 team of teachers, dear parents, and our lovely Pearls. I know every time I ask you to give me 5 claps. Can we hear those 5 claps, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know you have been muted because we didn't want a very boisterous class, but thank you for being here. Dear parents, I just remember 2 years back when these children had come for admission to my room and I offered each one a toffee. I don't know how many of them will remember that. And I remember asking them the colors. What is the color of your car? What did you eat for breakfast? I think these 2 years, they have really come a long way. We will marvel at their confidence as the program unfolds today. And thank you so much, Sam sir, for sparing your time and being with us today. I'm sure these children will be really encouraged. Last year, the lockdown was announced on 10th of March and 16th March was the graduation ceremony. So there was no time absolutely to do it online. But this year we were very much prepared. So once again, a warm welcome to all. And I know the parents are waiting to see the program begin and actually be on its progress. So Smita ma'am, over to you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Parents are an important stakeholder in the Pearl School community. And we at Pearl School believe that we cannot be a true success without their support. We thank our parents for all their support and cooperation to make the online classes a success. This is what our parents had to say about the online classes. मेरे को डिस्टर्ब करके क्या ना बीच में Thank you.
Sorry, Smita ma'am. Dear parents, I also take this opportunity to welcome our Vice President, Mr. Abdullah Abdul Ghafoor. Welcome, sir, to the graduation day ceremony. Over to you now, Smita ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Our sincere thanks to our parents once again. Looking back at the year 2020, we all had our reservations about online learning and its outcome. But the enthusiasm of our little ones to attend online classes made online learning a success. They evolved from being tiny caterpillars to beautiful butterflies and are now ready to spread their wings and fly. Presenting before you our little pearls.
Great moments come from great opportunities. Respected Chief Guest, President Mr. Sam Matthew, members of management, principal, headmasters, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends.
A warm good evening to one and all. It is a great moment for us, and we are happy to see you all for this wonderful celebration. As we graduate from kindergarten to class 1, we would like to share what we learned in KG2.
In kindergarten, we embrace English as a language. We not only learn how to write in cursive, but also started to read 3-letter words moving to 4 or 5-letter words. And now, as we stand here, we're proud to say that we can read short stories. Life is impossible without numbers. In KG, we learn to count and write. And we learn to compare numbers and quantities. Many more concepts like addition and shapes were taught to us by our teachers in playful manner through objects, activities, and PowerPoint presentations. We also learned about environment in our classroom, the flora and fauna, the national symbols of a country, good manners, and safety rules. We had great fun making sandwiches, lemonade, and all the artwork using sand, paper, vegetables, and pencil shavings. Our special assemblies are community helpers, action songs, plans and its importance, benefits of yoga, gratitude to coronavirus warriors, expressing our love to our grandparents, made learning fun. We also got a chance to shine and show our talent in Shining Star Talent Show. Our heartfelt thanks to our dear bus aunties and driver uncles for bringing us to school and dropping us back home safely. So we conclude by saying thank you all for the support in the past 2 years, and today we congratulate not only ourselves but also our principal ma'am, headmistress ma'am, teachers and parents for helping us move on.
Thank you, children. The year 2020 was full of challenges, but we at Pearl School have been able to overcome all the challenges. We were able to design our curriculum in a way enabling us to meet the key learning objectives and ensuring that students reach specific milestones set for success in their future classes. Special lessons and activities were integrated into the course to enrich the students' learning experiences. These lessons demonstrate hands-on projects and activities that help the concept come to life for the students. Presenting a glimpse of the activities we did online to make online learning fun-filled.
Wow, that was indeed a lovely culmination of the a year that was full of enriching activities for our little ones. And we have really stood committed to our objective that in spite of the pandemic, we would make this year an absolute lovely classroom experience, even though it was online. So thank you once again. I think it took a lot of cooperation and effort from the parents also, who along with the teachers made it a normal school routine for their children. So thank you for that. We have a very special guest today, all the way from India. May I request Jayashree ma'am to switch on her camera? Yes, Jayashree ma'am, you are there. I take this opportunity to welcome you all. These children were there in KG1. And children, you recognize Jayashree ma'am? Let's clap for her. Yes? Yes, very good. Yes, Jayashree ma'am, it's really nice. I know it's 2.5 hours ahead of us in Doha, but thank you so much for joining. Would you like to speak a few words? Yes. Can we unmute, ma'am? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Good evening to each one of you present here. It is indeed wonderful for me to be a part of this program. And it gives me great happiness to be here this evening on this momentous occasion of the graduation for kindergarten students. It is a blessing to be a teacher and to be with the children, right? To see them blossoming from small buds into lovely flowers. My hearty congratulations to the kindergarten graduates and the proud parents. As ma'am has already said, without the parents' support, this year would not have been what it is right today. I wish all the students to have a bright future and a shining future ahead of you. And my heartful gratitude to the management and principal ma'am for having me here today. I think that is the icing on the cake for me to be a part of this. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you, sirs. I would now like to hand over back to ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Well said. Smita ma'am, over to you now for the rest of the program.
Thank you, ma'am. And once again, thank you to the parents for their support. Today is a very special day for the students of kindergarten too. Today is the day that marks their transition from one stage of their educational journey to another. Our best wishes to all the students for their future. It is indeed a proud moment for me to call on the students of KG2A as they graduate from kindergarten to primary school. Please put your hands together to welcome the students. Rikin Purushothaman. Hannah P. Azim Naushad. Ativa Ajit. Bilal Zamil Ambalapurat. Aiden S. Kandatil. Arwa Mufid. Aisha Sanaz Saleh Puduvingal. Krishnavandat Chintan Das. Amar Asgan. Pranita Pandey. Aishna Malik. Zain Sheikh. Umaima Sulaim. Naila Manzar. Nikhil Prasad. Pranav Rajnikant. Jerome Jose Bobbin. Afzaluddin Muhammad. Nehan Muhammad Elakandi. Surya Prakash Ramamurthy. Sakina Kadri. And Ridan Chaudhary. Congratulations to the little pearls and best wishes to them for class 1. Children, you are the most precious pearls and we treasure you all. Always shine bright. Presenting before you the shining pearls, showcasing their talent.
छोटे से इरादे ले मंजिलों की राहों पर ख्वाबों को लेके चलना है इस तरह होठों में तराने हैं हौसले दिखाने हैं मिलना मिलेगा जो पल अब है बिना सुना है अब हमें आसमां 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 सुना है हमें आसमां 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 सुना है अब हमें आसमां 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 सुना है हमें
Thank you, everyone. With this, I hand over to Ms. Deepthi Garg to conduct the graduation ceremony of KG2B.
Thank you, Smita ma'am. Children, as you cherish the fruits of your hard work, I wish that success keeps following you in everything that you do, today and always. Congratulations and all the best for grade 1. Now, let's begin the graduation ceremony of class KG2B. Put your hands together for the first child of this class. Aiden George Rijo. Angeline Bensi. Ritika Pratinidhi. Nandana Neebu Gopinathan. Dishita Talsila. Sidra Mariam. Zaria Shahir. Joshua Thomas. Kareem Adil Ahmed. Ayan Anwar. Muhammad Ahil. Anaya Faisal. Akil Omer. Edward Suvin. Rashika Ramesh. Saud Shahabuddin. Bibi Aisha. Adam Tansir. Burhanuddin Rajkotwala. Alia Sheikh Mansoor. Ariman Shetty. Congratulations, little pearls, once again. With this, we have come to an end of the graduation ceremony of class KG2B. But before that, please allow me to present a video of children's activity.
ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मन दुश्मनों का सर चुने वतन बढ़ाए जा तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर चुने वतन बढ़ाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे आए जा चलो दिल्ली पुकार की हमें निशा कमाल की राम किले पे गाड़ की लहराए जा लहराए चलो दिल्ली पुकार की हमें निशा कमाल की राम किले पे गाड़ की लहराए जा लहराए
I hope you all liked and enjoyed the video. Now, I invite Ms. Sandhya Menon to conduct the graduation ceremony of class KG2C.
Thank you, Deepti ma'am. Congratulations to the little graduates of KG2A and KG2B. Now, it's time to call upon the last batch of students graduating tonight. Please put your hands together for the smart and vivacious students of KG2C. Aisha Sultana. Rayan Mohammed. Meenakshi Vimal. Rumaisa Ahmed Sayyeda. Qasim Ahmed Sayyed. Krishan Venkataraman. Alizia Ishtiaq. Hanshit Shivabalan. Hassan Sheikh. Muhammad Razan. Othman bin Affan. Zara Fatima. Aditi Leju. Muhammad Afrazullah Khan. Shraddha Menon. Muhammad Sharif. Aiden D'Souza. Mohammad Asif Khan. Abdul Rahman Imran Khan. And Shanvika Algaswamy. Congratulations to all the graduates. Now, I would like to call upon our President, Mr. Sam Matthew, to please address the online gathering. Over to you, sir.
A very good evening to all of you. Dear parents, principal, children, teachers, all staff, and all those who are present here, especially Jayashree, if she is still present. It's wonderful to be back, although online, but it's wonderful to get connected. First of all, let me congratulate the Pearls, our graduating students, and let me wish them all the very best in their students' journey. 2020 was an eventful year for all of us, for you as well as for the school. Now we are in the first quarter of 2021. Still, the same challenges continues, and hopefully the 2021 by end of the year, we will be back to rail and we will get connected one-to-one in the school. For the school also, 2020 was a big challenge on two areas. One is the COVID and all the online related technology independence and lots of streamlining on the transport, the premises, safety, security, everything. And from the other side, we were constructing our new building. So far, by grace of God, we could navigate reasonably well. And although we miss all of you and the parents, but somehow we successfully overcome the challenges we had. The good news is that we have a new purpose-built building for us and for the school and for you also. It's a dream come true that we will have our own building, a beautiful, wonderful building, a new campus. Our new campus, some of you may be knowing, it's around 8 to 10 kilometers away from our Tumama campus. It's 150,000 square feet area. It's a ground plus 2 building. It's a state-of-the-art building. I will say it's one of the best school building in Doha. We will have about 90 plus classrooms, lots of support facilities like labs, libraries, art room, sport facilities, music room. All those things are especially built for that purpose. We have a mini football court. We have a tennis court. We will have a swimming pool. We have a multi-purpose auditorium, multi-purpose hall, which can take up to 1,000 plus people. So for all of us, it's 2021 is a milestone in the school's history that we have our own purpose-built building. We will not have a formal opening because of the COVID restrictions, but we will invite all of you to come and see the premises when the time permits. And once again, I don't want to prolong my talk. Once again, my sincere thanks to all the parents, the students, teachers, and everybody who was part of us in our building of the school. And finally, once again, let me congratulate all of you for in your journey, for your successful completion of the kindergarten and graduating into the primary school. Thank you very much and wish you all good luck. Take care. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for the kind and motivational words. With this, we come to the end of graduation ceremony. It is my privilege to render the vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of this very unique and often challenging school year, I would like to take a few moments to say thank you. At the outset, we would first like to thank our President, Mr. Sam Matthew, the Board of Directors, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, Coordinators, West Bay Campus, Ms. Rati, Ms. Lali, Ms. Hasina, for all the leadership and support they have provided throughout the COVID-19 crisis. Under the guidance, the teachers and the students face this difficult situation with courage and resilience. We would also like to thank Ms. Jayashree Setupati, who has joined all the way from Chennai. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence. A special thank you to the parents without whom this would not have been possible. Thank you, parents, for your efforts and willingness to help the children in their day-to-day lessons and other class activities. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Blesson, IT coordinator, administrators, faculty, transport department, and support staff who pulled together to help our students and parents, teachers for the smooth functioning of the school. This one last year has not been what any one of us had planned for. Every single day, we have encountered several challenges, and proudly we can say that we together responded to the best of our ability and in the best interest of our students. With this, we come to the end of today's graduation ceremony. Now, I would request you all to stand up for the Indian National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you very much, everyone. Have a very good evening.